Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover gold market and I see potential for the further downside moment, so this will be a sell trade idea from FXCentrum team. I will go through the reasons behind this sell trade idea. So let's dive into this. We have a 4-hour time frame here and we can see that market did trade. We have basically a rally of the 3,960 that we had on Friday. The market did correct again to the middle of this middle of the bands, and still we are in the downside cycle, short, mid, and long term. So you want to see and try to utilize based on that fact and try to have a decent timing to have a proper risk to reward. So idea is to have much bigger reward versus initial risk in our trade ideas. So here we can see that market did some kind of the uptrust. We can see as well that RSI is holding. Market is having a hard time for the RSI to go above 50 on the rallies. We have a clear downside environment, especially in the last, I will say, like a couple of weeks, the last 2 weeks. So we will put a short position tool. So we have like a short position tool here so we can calculate risk to reward. What I want to see here is that for the market just to have the 1-to-1, we have the previous swing low back from end of the June, which is around 3,947. And that's pretty good just for the market to retest previous swing low. Main downside objective, however, I will say is set at 3,815, and this will provide a very big asymmetric risk reward of almost like a 3.5 times bigger reward versus initial risk. Much bigger drop, if we speak about midterm, can lead us even towards the 3,465 or 360 mark, which is almost a 10 times bigger reward versus initial risk. But short term, as I said, we have the previous swing low 3,950 and then at the short term main downside objective around 3,815. So we can see here that when the market is in a downside environment, it's usually reacting pretty well on those rallies, and those rallies are being sold. And we can see that actually in the last 2 weeks that this is the case. So we're playing for the market to continue with this environment and not to take those swing highs and try to take the upper Bollinger Bands and eventually change and shift the trend dynamic in the short term. It's a great time to start with the prop firm challenges. So we have a variety of the challenges you can choose from. And the best thing here is we have a user-friendly platform. If you can check more about it, it's very user-friendly and it's very easy to understand. And you can become a part of the prop firm business. And you can use this promo code here to have a 20% off for any prop firm challenge. Also, feel free to comment on YouTube. We really appreciate any comment, and we like live discussion, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. That'll be all from FXCentrum team and from my side for today. Have a good rest of the day and go trading.